Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. This is going to be a second lecture of this Angular series, and in the first lecture we covered the topics एक framework क्या होता है, what is client server communication, JavaScript and TypeScript का integration with a framework, what is Angular, what are single page applications and practical applications of Angular, and also the history and versions of Angular. So in case if you missed out on this lecture 1, इसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड किया है, आप जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो सारे सीरीज में सबके नोट्स जो है वो प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. सो मेक श्योर फॉर रिविजन पर्पस या इफ आपको कोई डाउट्स है देन यू कैन रिफर दोज नोट्स एज वेल. So let's start with our second lecture topics. The topics would be about setup and installation. सबसे पहले हम setup करेंगे अपना एक IDE. Currently I am using Windows 11 and I prefer VS Code as my working IDE, and I also recommend that. So let's start with the installation of VS Code. सबसे पहले इनकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे हमें जाना है. And the system that you are using, you have to download the versions accordingly. I am currently using Windows 11, so I'll download this version. And here the download started. Okay, so the download has been done. We'll just open it once. You just have to click I accept the agreement, and then you just have to click on next. Next. No changes over here. And then you have to install. It will take some time to install this. Okay, so we have completed the installation of VS Code. We just have to click on finish and it will launch the Visual Studio Code for us. So we are going to go on their official website for Node.js, and it is preferred that to download the LTS version rather than the current version, as the current version might have some changes. So we'll go with the LTS version and we'll go for our Windows installer. So Node has been downloaded. We'll just open it. We just have to click on next. I accept the terms. Then go to next. No changes to be done over here. Just click on install and it will install the Node.js as well. So हमारा setup complete हो गया है for Node.js. We'll just finish it up. And to check whether it is properly installed or not, we'll just open our command prompt and type here the Node version. And this is the current latest version which we have downloaded. Okay. And also we'll check npm version if it is correctly installed. So yes, properly Node.js configure हो गया है. Now our next step is to install Angular packages. So type here npm install Angular CLI. This will install the Angular CLI in your system. You will get all these notes in the description, and all the commands are also provided over there step by step. Okay, so this will install your Angular packages. Okay, so Angular has been installed properly. So now you have to do is create your first Angular project. Okay, so Angular has been properly installed now. Now you have to create your first app by giving this command ng new and the name of the project you want to give. Suppose you are giving as first project. This would be the name of the project, and this will create a project for you. You have to select what you want to use for CSS, and I recommend you to use SCSS. So just select that. If you want to enable server side running, yes, and this will install all the packages that is required for your project. Okay, so you have successfully installed all the packages that were required. Now you have to move into the directory where you created this project. Then you have to run this command ngserve so that you can run this project. Okay, just click on yes, and it will build the project. Now you've been provided with this link where you have to go. This would open the project that you have created in Angular. So yes, this is the first home page of Angular. This is the official page of Angular that is been provided whenever we install our first app. Okay. Okay. तो हमें environment variables में जाना है, and then we have to go on this path and we have to just edit it. Okay. So फाइल मैनेजर में सी ड्राइव में प्रोग्राम फाइल्स करके एक सेक्शन होगा, वहाँ पे जहाँ पे हमने नोड जेएस इंस्टॉल किया है, हमें उस फोल्डर में जाना है, एंड देन वी हैव टू गो इन दिस बिन पाथ. ओके, एंड वंस वी आर इन दिस बिन पाथ, देन ये पाथ जो है यहाँ हमें वो कॉपी करना है एंड यहाँ पे वो पेस्ट करना है. क्लिक ऑन न्यू एंड देन जस्ट paste this. Okay, once you paste this, it will configure the path for you. Okay, and you have to just set okay. तो इससे आपको वो एरर फेस नहीं करना पड़ेगा आगे. एंड वन मोर थिंग, you have to go in your VS Code terminal and execute this command and then execute this command also. ये हमें क्यों करना पड़ता है? क्योंकि जो पावर शेल स्क्रिप्ट रहती हैं वो डिसेबल्ड रहती है बाय डिफॉल्ट इन आ विंडोज सिस्टम. सो ये करने के बाद जो पाथ है वो हमारा प्रॉपरली कॉन्फ़िगर हो जाएगा एंड हमें एग्जीक्यूशन पॉलिसी के कोई एरर्स भी नहीं आएंगे. ओके, सो ये पूरा इंस्टॉलेशन पार्ट था ऑन VS कोड एंड हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर Node.js एंड हाउ टू रन एन एंगुलर ऐप एज वेल. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से हम देखेंगे एंगुलर का फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर, आर्किटेक्चर, उसमें क्या कंपोनेंट्स, मॉड्यूल्स, क्लासेस का यूज़ किया गया है, वो सब डिटेल्स में हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. So this was all about this video. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, share it with all of your friends, and if any suggestions about this video, then you can put that in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.